come. How you doing?
That.
Oh, leave me. I want make you help me come check something for here.
Are you serious?
I know they're happy to stop this nonsense way they do.
What is it?
I want cook. I want make you come help me check which are the cook, whether na balanced diet.
Hey, balanced diet what? Come on, give me balanced diet.
I don't know what's in the balanced diet though. Only be Oga. Oga can say the shout they give me since. Say anything where I want cook for this house. Say if you know be balanced diet, make I no cooker.
Okay.
I go cook, give the children. They no go gree eat. I cook ofa, I cook egusi soup and oha. They no gree eat. You mo kwana nke kachanke. You mo kwana gari. Gari on Abuna village. E bocha gari. When you after making, you make the gari with aki and pankane.
Okay, gari nkana ngwa.
Okay. When you milk tinye sugar. Itinye obitasheni obrenu. Ngo chanya. Omehi na ho. My day.
What you are doing? Yes.
I can't give these children no. They don't agree it though. They come out when they say why I no cook balanced diet. I want cook now. I want to be able to cook finish. Should I not cook it? I want cook balanced diet to give them.
Wait, Aboma. You carry gari and pantanel. Give Oga children make me some gari. Now you will tell. Talk about you idiot. What nonsense is that? How to carry gari? When they did for village, carry go city give. You are a very me. We can't come for gari. What do you mean for gari? Children, we still they grow. It's not a cook. All this village nonsense. So wait. As you dey now, fine. Come grow rich where as you dey now. You don't know what to be balanced diet about.
For now, I will call you here to ask you. Tell me if you want. Tell me what to be. So, I never cooked balanced diet before. Even for my village now, where they cook for where people die. Nobody don't talk say make I cook balanced diet for them. What time they cook for them na
Aki and gari.
Ofo onubo. Ofe egusi. You kwacha aka isi chai on na ato. Because I never cook balanced diet.
Jesus
But tell me what in be balanced diet?
Rubbish. Only where people die. What do you I go take? Oh. Balanced diet no be for food. I tell you, no be balance, then diet. No be way food day. I tell you.
What do you mean? You can't confuse me, mama.
I know
the man is. What do you mean balance diet? Tell me if you know now. Tell me if you know now.
No, tell me. Me. I don't know what it be. Me. I don't know what it be. Balanced diet.
Well, tell me what it be.
Balance. You know what they pay me now? What they pay me now? I be say. I don't know as I go take explain this thing to you, make you understand that. You know, you see you beat. No, tell me you beat. You don't know anything. See, balanced diet na position. As you take position, you're not gonna position. I'm give you position. You sure you know what in position?
Just they confuse me more.
Don't be confused.
Tell me what in be position. What in be position?
Wait. What are you saying to this? Okay.
Leave me alone.
No, make I tell you now. Fast. Sit down, make I show you position. I will show you position.
No, come. See where I put the food for you. Come. You go like her for here where you dey.
Aboma, why serve the food on the center table? What happens to the dining table?
Hey! Okay! Now you tell me say you want eat balanced diet. Now I come bring am where you go balance well. Where you go balance well. See how you go take balance. See what you go do, okay? You go balance like this. You balance. You eat this food now. You go enjoy it. Okay, you know say that high table where you they sit down they eat. If you sit down there eat, the food no go balance for your body. But if you come balance for here, you go eat the food. The food go enter your body. It go balance. It go do you.
Do
Do you know you're very stupid? Are you insane? Is something wrong with your head?
Hey! Oga! Now when I dey village, you know, I see. That time when I dey with the and that time now I see. Since when I come this city, enter this your house, I never see no.
Aboma, you never cease to amuse me. What is wrong with you?
Oga, say I'm.
You know what? I want you to get this food out of my living room.
Hey!
You know what? I bought this table. Are you mad?
Hey!
I said, get out. Are you mad?
Oga.
Are you mad? Are you talking back at me?
No, Oga, make I tell you something, You see this food, If you don't eat this food, you go miss some more. This food sweet.
Get this food out of my living room.
Huh? Oga, balance, eat this food.
Get this food out of my living room. What's this now? What kind of trouble is this? I am tired. Where did I even go wrong? Where did you get this girl from? I've lost my appetite.
She's too funny.
Yeah! Where is this girl?
Nah, guy, Henry, this way they ask me, they possible. No, they possible at all.
I beg now. Okay, look at me, my man. I'm losing weight. I'm missing a bomb. Help me now. Just help me get this. It's not just to ask Dede for her contact. Nothing again.
Okay, now, just check him. I'll just go up to Dede. I say, Dede, okay, give me my contact. He said, no sound.
You don't get as it takes sound, brother. You don't get as it takes sound. Do one for me now. Baba, do this thing for me now. Collect this number now.
Baba, see, you know, say the thing go look suspicious. You go even think say you send me. You don't understand. You go think say you send me, make I go come collect my contact. You know, go make sense. Just try, maybe you go meet them. You know, after all, woman and your girlfriend, you get every right to ask for her contact. They know say me and woman no get anything, no get any connection. Why go say marry me, give me contact? You know go bam now. You understand what I'm saying? Just try.
Yeah. So you think he will listen to me?
Why not go listen to you? They will listen to you. You understand? Besides, there's no harm in trying. Just try. Try.
It's just that I'm missing a bomb too much. I'm missing her.
No cry. She be a big boy now. She be a big boy.
Yeah. Big boys don't cry.
Yes, big boys don't cry. You know what the time is, my guy.
Oh
No worry, just meet her. Me know how far.
Oh my man, no my man.
No so. Like I was here now.
One
Can I go? No one I started saying say Ozubi, what we even make no now? Na can I go do people? Na be what I na ga now.
Okay, baby. Yeah, I'll be there soon, okay? I can't wait. Okay. Alright, see you soon.
Aboma! Please come. Yes, please listen, okay? I'll be going out to get my woman. And what I want you to do is to tidy the whole house, okay? Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Tidy the whole house.
Good.
Oga, which balanced diet I go cook this afternoon?
Maybe rice and stew. That will do.
But
But don't forget to tidy the whole house, okay? Most especially my room and the sitting room. Tidy everywhere.
tidy everywhere.
Okay? Tidy the whole house.
Tidy the whole house.
Tidy the whole house.
Tidy the whole house, Aboma. Hey! This man go just speak this big grammar. Big grammar. Which one be tidy the whole house again? Abi, make I call Romanus ask am wetin be Mba. I know am. Tidy the whole house. I go finish work. Guy, why use me play, ba? You gonna speak big grammar for me since I don't know wetin be tidy the whole house. I go show you say, Abo baby, no book. Tidy the whole house.
She's too funny. All the way from village you enter city. From Abuja village you enter city. Oh. Special.
Hey!
That they play that.
Plan. Make it from where it starts, where it begin.
Okay.
Hey! Look at that for you.
Hey, you know that? No be like that. It will not be. She said. Yes. Don't like that.
Come over here.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, fine, thank you. This one, guy, you'll find this one is nice.
What is the meaning of this nonsense? What is this?
Jesus Christ. Who did this?
My house girl. This girl will not kill me in this house.
Abama!
Hey! Oh God! What? Hey! Okay. You get Ayo. This Auntie Hey! See what's in there for me?
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up! What's the meaning of this? Why do you have to tie your own seat? Imagine even my picture. Who does this?
Okay. You don't forget what you tell me when you come out for house. When you say, I want my tidy the whole house, tidy my parlor, and tidy my room. I want to go bring my baby.
Shut up your mouth. I asked you to tidy the whole place, not this. I didn't ask you to do this. Even my pictures, my flowers. Who does this?
Hey! Auntie! What you know just talk? Nah. No be tidy the whole house. What is the difference? Tidy whole house and tidy. I want man now. Why tidy for here? Tidy for room.
He didn't mean you should tie the seats together. He said you should clean the sitting room. It's simple.
Exactly.
Hey!
My friend, will you stop shouting? Don't be stupid. You know what? I need you to lose every damn thing you tie in this parlor. Do you understand? Don't get me angry. Don't! You know what, baby? Let's just go to the room, okay? I'll fix it.
It's fine. Where did you get her from? How?
This way, this way.
Oh, okay.
This way. Listen, Aboma, I don't want to come back and meet this sitting room like this. Don't get me angry, okay? Fool!
Hey! What be this now? What did they do all these people when they live for this city now? Eh? They just speak big grammar. They don't know what they speak. What do you mean? Eh? Oga open him mouth to say, Aboma, tidy the whole house, tidy parlor, tidy room. Now you don't come back here now. This small auntie where you follow am come, we don't know anything. No grammar. You don't know meaning of tidy the whole house. You can't say na clean house. What's it called say clean house and tidy the whole house? Eh? Chidekwa. How you go even go time? How this meeting? Where they go sit down? Eh? I don't know. This is my mumu self. I don't know whether I mean mumu. I been at them waiting for this city. I don't understand what that happen for this city. Oh. I don't understand what that happen for this city. Oh.
What?
Where did you bring that from?
Can you imagine? Aboma, what is this?
Babe, it's okay. I'll fix it. This your house help is a clown. Starting with her name. Who bears that kind of name in this century? What is Aboma?
This is bad. I don't know where they got her from, but I am going to send her back.
No, my love. You don't need to do that. At least she's better than all these corporate maids that come to your house and steal. As long as she don't steal, let's keep managing her. She will be better someday.
Did you say she'll be better someday? Aboma, that one can never change. Okay? Can you imagine? Just to ask her to tidy up the house. Look at what she did. Aboma!
Young, give me one reason I should give you her contact. Dede. I know I spoke to you in a bad manner. I know I was so mannerless. I was so rude. Mana Biko. Just, I mean, how can you not help me with this contact? I need to talk to Aboma. Biko, help me. I'm very sorry for what I have done. In fact, anything that I have done before now, Biko, forgive me. See, even like this now, I'm in support of Aboma going to the city. I support the movement. I mean, she went there for her own betterment. Or was here. Even myself, I will even find my way to the city so that I will make my own money too, so that we can link up and everything will be alright. You hope it's better that way, Dede.
Yes. But the truth is that Aboma does not have a phone, and I cannot give you the boss phone number.
Hey, Dede, you know boss. Give me the boss phone number. I'll see Dede. I'll be very respectful when I call him. If I call him, I will say, good morning, sir. Sir, please, can I speak to Aboma?
Young man, there's nothing I can do. The boss has promised to buy Obama a phone. Okay? So, you have to calm down. When she gets her phone, I'll give you the number.
Okay. See, but how long will it take this boss to buy her phone now? How long?
I don't know.
Will I continue waiting?
I don't know. Besides, I am not in his pocket. So, when she gets the phone, you get the number. Okay? Calm down. Calm down.
Okay.
Don't worry. Don't worry. When she gets the number, I'll get it for you.
Then I will be checking up on you.
Alright.
I'll be checking you all the time to get the number.
Alright. Have a nice day.
Dede wala now. Dede wala. Obreza bomba kande mi se wala na. Big boys don't cry. Big boys don't cry.
In search of greener pasture, but I dey miss my baba. I dey miss my baba. Onye mfụrụ n'anya. Baba mo, onye mfụrụ n'anya.
Why you push my baba? You the mad?
Now you go make you dey hit me like I be criminal, I be thief.
If you try next time, what I go do you? How head come out from your neck?
Brother, you do this thing. You do say, see me and you know say, but you know the friend. Talk to swear now, you go die here now. Swear say, as I do.
Come on, shut up your mouth. We can do it say if you say, you be mad boy.
I tell you, not the try nonsense with me. If you don't do that thing again, I'm going to slap you with this left hand.
Hey! You just slap me.
Mama.
Romanos.
Man.
Romanos!
Man.
What? You want to slap me? Are you mad?
I don't know that you, because
you are about to lay your filthy hands on my face.
It's a slip of hand. It's a slip of hand, sir. I'm sorry. Now, person, I won't slap a person for dream. And I tell the person I go slap your mama.
Was I in your dream? Answer me!
No, sir. It's a slip of hand.
But you're about to slap me.
I'm sorry, sir. Please. No, I be one slap person.
Do you want to lose your job?
No, sir.
Do you know I am your boss and I can sack you right now?
You can do that, but don't sack me. Yeah! Don't sack me.
My friend, go open that gate.
I will do that, sir.
Stupid fool. Fool.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Can you imagine? Stupid fool. Someone like this guy. What is this now? This a bomba. This a bomba go put me for trouble for this house. If not for God now, I would don't land this lap now for her face. This is a bomba. Idiot. Thank God say home here. Because I listen there. Now why home me?
Aboma. 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 What are you doing inside there? And why are you stressing me? Hey! Auntie! Not any say you lazy. This small call where you call Aboma now. You don't say you don't tire. I beg your pardon. I don't know, Amo. Better be. Now, go in there, make me white rice, egg sauce, spice it up with hot dog. Did you get that? Did you? Hey! Auntie? Rice. And egg. Sauce. Anuna. Spicy. Anuna. Dog. Nkita. Hey! Auntie, that one na food? In a nkita. You don't eat dog. Oh, dog. Are you questioning my order? No, are you? No. I don't feel question order. Get out of my sight. Eh? I said get out of my sight! Come make me... I don't want to make all these things where she talk now. Eh? I don't know what to... Mom, I said leave my sight. Get out. Oh. Now! Oh, auntie. Come back here. Come back here. I'm not your auntie. Next time, you say, yes, madam. Did you get that? What did I say? Next time, you say, yes, madam. And the O? Get out. Hey! Rice. Spice. Sauce. Aboma, get out of this place. Go and get me food. I'm hungry. Auntie, are you still here? Sauce. How? This is it. This is the end of it. Sauce. What kind of a naive girl is this? Where will I see Nketa dog? Where will I see a dog that is hot? Eh? Aboma there for village. Aboma the village cooker. Yeah? And they cook for where person die. I never cook sauce, spicy. I don't get them. Aboma, leave this place and go and get me food. I'm hungry. No. Oh, jeez. This guy is stupid. Ramanusu! Come open this gate.
Ma, open the gate, Aboma. Ma, open this gate.
Open gate. I want to go. Maybe that small girl wait there inside. That small girl wait there inside. That cooker Greek. Don't tell me say you want eat sauce, spicy, hot dog, nkita dog. So I've looked for everywhere. This is our dog. Nobody this type they eat my village. Don't when they eat my village they cook it. So I want go come off outside. Now I go find where I go see a cookie buy. I'll go cook am for her, make it hot. I give her she go eat. Now what does she want?
Why you no cook? Why you no kill that dog? Why you no kill her?
No, our dog big. Our dog now those agric. All those one where we say they want them to room. Our the one where they find. Those one village. I they find.
And neighbor, yeah,
my neighbor here. Yes, they get. I hear them here. I go there, go knock.
But you don't eat tea. If you don't know anything, talk when they help you explain them. They talk rubbish.
Okay, you know where I go buy them?
What I not say they talk like he say she tell you make you cook sauce. No be sauce. Ah, shut up. Ah, rubbish. Idiot.
Tell me.
Sauce. And they say make it spice with hot dog.
It 3. Sauce, spicy, hot dog. Nkita dog.
Oh,
no,
shut up. Person they tell you something. Person wey don't know anything go wait. Make person wey know
tell me.
Now we will know something. Go tell you what it be.
Tell me.
Sauce and spices and hot dog. Hot dog no be dog, no be nkita. Hot dog now that thing wey dey be like my. Hey! What it be? Hey!
Romanus, you don't know anything. You know nothing, mama. Ibelele. Come my village farmucha. Now me they cook the highest ibelele for my village.
Shut up.
No be nothing like nkita.
My problem with you be say you dey shout they make noise like say you sabi. Shut up, make person wey sabi tell you.
Amanis.
You see this movement we won't go make now, but they do you like make it come out. No go lost, oh. No go lost. If you lost, no tell them say let me open gate for you.
Open this gate for me, I'm not go find a hot dog. Now go knock, I knock my neighbor. This neighbor where they are, I knock for them, they go say their own. I cook her for her. Open gate.
She's too funny.
Open gate, I beg.
They tell her what you go help her, she dey talk rubbish. They behave like a idiot. Hot dog. Something wey be say person wey know, they tell her say they sauce na egg wey they fry together. That's if you bring egg, then you fry them together. Then they can come what they call spice. You spice them. It's not a spice higher. Then we use hot dog. That will be like my put up. Not be hot dog. That rubbish. Oh, egg. If we bring egg, you fry them. Now with the sauce.
Dede.
Martina.
When did you hear from Aboma and her Oga?
I spoke with the boss 3 days ago.
Did you ask him about Aboma? How is she?
Yes, I did. According to him, he said Aboma is fine.
Are you sure? I hope all is well with her. I need to hear from Aboma. I need to hear from my daughter.
Hey, Marty. Marty, rest yourself. Aboma is fine. She's doing well. Look, very soon, Aboma will start sending money to you. All you need to do is pray for her.
I'm already praying for her. Yes.
Then, rest your case. She is doing well.
Let me believe you, Dede.
Okay, I want to leave now.
Yes. Dede, wait, let me get I have oha soup. I know you like oha soup, and I still have oha soup.
Nabomwa, Akamelora. Don't worry, next time I'll eat.
Hey.
I'll see you.
If you say so, no problem. Then.
Udodi.
Greet your wife for me.
This girl want me to die of hunger before she serve me this food. What is happening? Why is the food not ready?
Small madam, I don't make sauce. I don't make am. Na rice. Now I put for fire. You go ready very soon. Yeah? Small madam, that one when you talk make I go fine. Anunkita. I don't waka. I go all for this our street where I always hear a cook. They shout. I don't go there. Go ask them where they go feel say their ankita, their dog. Make I use and cook hot dog for you. They no get.
Please, whatever you're doing, do it fast. I'm famished.
Hey! Small madam! No go farm oh! No go farm oh! Farm no fit you like this. As you fine, you be fine girl like this, farm no fit you. Fine girl like you wey be a Greek. You no suppose go farm oh.
Mama, I mean I am hungry.
Small madam, if I tell you wetin me want me to use my eye see for village if I go farm, you no go talk say you wan go farm. No go farm, yeah?
Okay, thank you. And why are you always crashing? Why?
Mama.
Please, go back to the kitchen. I'm hungry. Be fast about it, okay? And please don't forget to wash your hand. I don't understand this your habits.
Oh, small madam. Fine girl, no pimple. Fine girl, no pimple. No go farm, oh! No go farm! Hey!
She's too funny. All the way from village, you enter city. From Abuja village, you enter city. Special food. I'm a person. All the delicacies. Baga test them. You go request for more. If you test them, you go request for more. Come to my village.
Nah. Which nonsense be this one now, eh? Now when I die, now this girl go carry this food come. Eh? Which kind of rubbish be this one now? Eh? The thing where they pay me for where this girl dey, you see, she too dey slow. She just dey backward. The first time when she come this house, I think say na a girl of 6G. Once they say they get 4G, SIM card, 5G. I think say na her own na 6G. I don't know say she no even get G. Now slow human being. Eh? I dey here now, warm, they scatter my belly, they scatter the tear. Which can? Nah! Hey! Which be this one? Ordinary to just carry food, put for kitchen, cook. Now she dey waste the whole day. I mean, she don't forget inside they wait for. I dey here they wait for the food. Wait oh, Jero, you sure say this girl never forget inside they here? Nah. People they come from village, they get sense now. Which can witch with this one now?
The cooking cooker. Oh, see there, mama, but you are too funny. I'm a little mama.
Who's there? Come in.
Auntie, wetin be that name wey you say make I dey call you again? I don't forget am o. Remember me that name again.
Will you go straight to the point?
Hey! Auntie too fine! See, you fine like mommy water. Verse no fit you, make you know the verse. Food, e don ready.
Interesting. So finally, the long-awaited food is ready.
Hey, bam!
Hope it's nice.
Hey! Auntie, I finish work. Well, this one, I finish work.
You're so funny.
The food, it didn't hide them.
Okay, let's do this.
Hey, what an animal. You be fine girl. Fine girl, no people. Fine girl.
The cooking.
Don't worry.
Oh, see there. Mama, but you are too funny. I'm a jamba. I'm
Hey! I finish work. This food, eat and bite your finger. Only I'm a chaka. Hey! You never pray.
Oh, you're right. Okay. Father God, bless and sanctify this food in Jesus' name.
Amen. Bam. You can eat now. Fire.
What? Abama, what's the meaning of this?
Small madam, why you dey shout now?
What is this?
Rice and sauce. Small madam, na wetin you say make I cook for you na I cook oh. You say make I cook sauce, spicy, hot dog. I don waka for this our street. I don go all the people wey get a cook for their house. For my village, na cook na who dey kill, dey use they do keke wey dey cook wey dey nami anu nkita. Nami anu nkita. He's a cook that he's always using.
Mama, will you shut up?
Madam, now wait, make I tell you what I tell you. I don't go find the dog meat, I no see. I come make sauce for you. If you don't like the color, you get this one wey dey inside, that yellow one wey dey inside. You still remain oh. I will carry am put for here for you. You go like am. Shut that trap.
Shut it! I said give me white rice, egg sauce, spice it with hot dog. That's what I said. Spice it with hot dog. What is this nonsense?
See rice for here. See egg for here. See spicy it. E dey here. Only thing wey no dey here na dog meat. Anu nkita. Ahụ anu nkita ewe ọbụla. Madam, you must eat this food though. This food you must eat am.
What did you just say?
You go eat am because I don't suffer. Suffer for this food. I go even go ask Romanus wetin be egg sauce. And I come make egg sauce now. You no eat am. You go eat am oh. What I do now? What I do? You say make I give you spicy sauce, hot dog. I don't go for hot dog. I don't see. I go make you sauce. You go slap me. What I do you now?
If you ask that question again, I will give you a hotter slap. Fool! Idiot! You're so daft! Look at the nonsense you served. Stupid girl, fool.
Look what am I here? I because if I say make I go for spicy sauce. I don't do sauce now. She go slap me. I be only say she slap me again. She go call me a fool. Fool. I don't blame you. Not because I'm fat. Meju. I make you call me fool. I don't blame you. Small madam, not be say. Then they say make I don't look for trouble for this city. This is what you do today, You come for Abuja, you can't do am. You can't do am. I go tell you say, I be a boy baby.
Abo baby. What is this way you cook? Now you cook this thing?
Nah, what is this now? Don't see, Bella don't bite me here. I don't hear the complaint. What happened now? What kept you so long?
Which kind of nonsense attitude be that? Eh? You don't mind I be a wife?
Forget it. Forget it with my wife. Calm down. Oh, this thing, you dey here, and me dey here. Indirectly, you are my wife. What happened now? This one where your face be like 2020. Who provoke you?
No be that Oga girlfriend where they inside there. It's that one place they send me Aboma here, Aboma this one, Aboma that one. What happened? Eh? She told me say she want sauce. You want spicy. You want hot dog. I don't come out to go waka. Find kita for every our neighbor. Nobody feel give me the kita. Nobody feel selling. Oh, make I use and cook for this woman. Eh? I don't manage. Go buy Anwezi. When can I have money? Give her. She no want them. Eh? Okay. You say I must do sauce. I don't go do sauce now. Give her. She say she no go eat her.
Are you serious?
I go kill myself.
She no go eat her.
She said she no go eat the sauce.
She's an idiot. See, anybody will not like.
And now you be tell me. You tell me say sauce na egg. Aqua
then hot dog now that way they be like my mind.
Happen ke hot dog hot dog nketa di oko
fine, no problem. We don't care. See, anybody will not like your food, that person is idiot. That person don't like potato at all.
Oh my God, yeah.
I beg, if you don't want to eat them,
yeah, enjoy
them. You are my own now. And that's the own. Just bring them. Bring your own. I go to
enjoy yourself.
I go to.
If you finish, bring plate. And that plate now you go watch them and no be a wife.
Calm down now. Anytime you go here, they go here. They do me home. You know so that way they do. You don't affect me here.
Abeg, that always say you don't eat. Bring am all.
Hi, babe. Babe, I'm so hungry here. Which maid? That your maid, she's a drama queen. That girl is a whole character. I asked her to prepare me white rice and egg sauce. She ended up making white rice, raw egg with the shell in it. Can you imagine? Who cooks that kind of food? Babe, no, this is not a funny matter. It's not at all. I'm not happy with this whole thing that is happening. I'm hungry and I waited for like the whole day for this food to get ready. My love, this your girl needs to take to rehab. She's sick. She's sick upstairs. Oh God, please, when are you coming back? Okay, fine. Get me food on your way back home, please. Okay, please make it fast. Yeah. Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Victoria, you've seen something.
This video, oh, hey, people. Hey. Hey, wonderful meal. Hey, devil. Ta! Bafu. Ta! Wa! The owner of food wants to eat. In Jesus' name, amen. Who be about my who's gonna say me this now? What's it this? Yeah? What? This is not me. Let me order the egg. What they break pour? Carry the bogolo here now. Who's gonna say me this now? Yeah? This idiot allow me go waste my money buy cock. Buy cock. Put it in this. You can't be saying that. Chuku boga abama. Which kind of village gave me this one now? You got bodies get longer now. You got bodies get longer. This guy will
not be sauce when you tell me say na sauce. No be na food na. You ask me wetin be this one, No be na oyibo food when I say make.
Oyibo food wo be idiot. Sauce suwara idiot. Those are una village people. Una village wey be amocha. Na so they teach you. Say na so they do egg sauce. You carry rice. You carry rice. White rice, come carry egg when they raw egg. Come break and put in the come carry the go the homo everything. Come put the egg sauce. Now go put it, you idiot.
What you tell me? I don't tell you when that small madam tell me say make I do sauce, make I do spicy, make I do hot dog. I waka finish. You come back. I don't ask you. Maybe tell me say if I carry egg, I put them inside rice. I put everything whether inside the egg, put inside there. Say na him be sauce. Maybe what I give you.
Punish you. When they call sauce, I don't tell you to be saucy. It's not saucy. They say that saucy. Me where sabi? They teach you when you be idiot. When don't sabi they you when don't sabi they teach me. They tell me say that saucy. You know what? Go there. Swang idiot. See, I can tell you, if this time they do put on the talk say because in the village, you sabi you are Anna, Anyoshi, idiot. See, this night you go send you go village. Which kind of village man? If you don't know what to, if you don't sabi anything, ask question. Ask people what they tell you, make you sabi. That's what they do egg sauce.
You where sabi? Now what you tell me?
No, but what I tell you? I tell you say egg sauce na stew wey if you cook stew come boil egg put am inside na be egg sauce or say you fry stew come fry egg put am together mix am together na be egg sauce na iwere abando.
It's just say you know wetin be this sauce wey you dey talk about because I tell you that small madam no talk anything like stew. I know how to cook stew. I dey cook stew for burial.
No, shut up. I no tell you how to cook stew. What be say na me tell you say if you fry egg put for stew Jordan So far the egg there inside, now be the egg sauce now.
If na that one where you talk now say I go put I know how to fry egg.
Well, shut up. You know how to fry egg. How you carry this one put here?
You say make I do sauce. Sauce. I want him to talk.
Now what is she talk?
And I want you to tell me say.
No. I think make the carry rice 4 eggs. Carry egg when they are like. You don't see this egg that they are like.
Like seriously? Are you for real?
Auntie, I read well. I dey read.
So disgusting.
Thank you. Na God do am like that.
Where are you from?
Amucha.
What kind of a person are you? Oh gosh. How dare you barging into my room without knocking? Are you this daft?
No. Hey! Auntie, I don't know how to play draft though. If na Lido you carry come now, I go give you 1 blow, 7 apples. I know I be champion for this Lido where they play.
What is she saying? Now say what brought you here and get out.
Auntie, see this verse where the verse, they fit you. You know say you find too much. You be a cook Greek. Make you know the verse, yeah?
You're very stupid. Get out of this room.
Auntie,
I said get out!
Auntie, make I tell you wetin carry me come here now. Make I tell you, know the verse. Yeah, Auntie. Now that rice and the sauce where I make for you. No verse, yeah? You know say this one oyibo food wey I go eat for here. For my village, na only burial I dey cook. I don't know how to cook that oyibo food. I can't go ask Romanus say wetin be rice and sauce. Romanus come tell me say make I carry egg. I break am, put am inside rice, carry everything wey dey inside the egg, put inside. Na him be sauce. Na him make I come give am. I come make am come give you. No vex, yeah?
Get out.
Auntie, they hungry?
I said get out.
I get garri. Yeah, and the pankanel wey I carry come from village. May I go do am for you. I put small salt inside. You go like am o.
Leave this room this minute. Will you get out of this room now?
She's too funny. From village, you enter city. From Abuja village, you enter city. Special food.
I wonder where Mike get this girl from. She's so stupid.
You go request for my if you test them, you go request for my come to my village.
Just don't cannot rest in this house for this girl.
The cooking cooker. You're too funny.
What is this? Are you mad? What's wrong with you?
No. Now only greet I dey greet you.
Must you hug before you greet me? Answer me!
No. Now so I dey greet my papa for village.
Do I look like your father?
Hey! Okay! Hey! You resemble my papa well, no? You resemble am well. That time when my papa died alive, na see me now, na so my papa be. And this your nose, you can't resemble like.
Will you stop this rubbish? Are you mad? Look, don't try this next time, okay? Don't!
No.
Vicky, baby.
No. Hey! Awoma! You go put yourself on top for this house, though. Hey! Where is my oga fire? But I no carry anything for mind. Now only greet I greet you. Fire,
Hey, TV. Oga no know say I don't spoil in television. Oga see je no. It's a come on now so.
Hi, baby.
Hi, bro.
Hey, come here.
What kept you so long?
I was out in traffic. Come here. Ooh. I know you've been through a lot today. So, just today.
Babe, let me eat first so I can have strength to narrate what my eyes saw today in your house.
Aboma is indeed a character, trust me.
Yes.
I got you your favorite.
Ah, I can say that. So, what did you get shawarma for?
Oh, my kids.
And you didn't get any for me?
But you didn't ask for it.
Come on, babe. Must I ask for it?
Oh, come on, babe. We don't have to fight over this, okay? I will practically send my driver to get you one, okay? So, you have to enjoy your meal. That's it. And the shawarma, I need to get it for my kids. I'll be right back, okay? Come here. Don't give me that face. I want the lips. You know I love you, okay? I'll be right back, baby.
Rubbish. Every time my kids. Is this the only one that has kids in this world?
I want make you help me, babe. Make I use your phone, make call. I beg now.
Make I help you. Make you use my phone, make call. See as a sharp for out. If I tell you say, make I do the other one, you go push me to talk rubbish.
I beg, give me something. Don't give me something. Give me Johnny.
Okay, fine.
Make I tell you the truth, eh? Make I tell you the truth. No, my bobo I want call. Come first now, come. I want call my bobo, eh? I don't think I never get in voice, so I want to talk to my bobo. I go now tell her, make carry phone, go give my mama. Not I talk to my mama, I go miss my mama.
Okay, fine. No problem. Make I still tell you my own truth. Promise me say, if I give you this phone, make it take you to call. Say if you do the call finish, say you finish the call, you go show me love.
No problem, give me.
No be so bad, don't give me.
So bad draw now, what I go tell you again? I go do. You all this is way run up and down. You want do me, ba? No problem. Give me the phone. I go give you. You want do me? You want do me?
You are just telling me this story.
It's a bad draw.
No waste time. As you talk this nice. But when you come,
Give me phone. I go do it.
this partner's attention here now.
Money on phone. Message call.
Okay, I will not waste time.
No.
Also, just please say, wow.
Give me phone now. I choose the talk. Give me phone because I make call. I know what you talk. It's the way what I do. Give me phone because I talk to my bobo. Give me.
No waste my time.
Give me the rest.
They must see. Just get that time. Just waste time. You don't even want to say. Just you put me again. Wow. If my pant is in there, I'll just use hand shift down. You don't feel like this. You understand? Finish.
Hello?
Hello?
Aboma! Hey, David K. Hello?
You don't even get credit. You dey dey do guy.
Hey, okay, let me check my account balance. When they go, buddy, buddy. Hey,
Who don't get credit?
You don't get credit.
You see him now. He said that you don't finish credit, that you don't finish him. Credit
when?
why I load since 2 weeks now. Just one smile.
Hey, Roman is so. Check. Remember, my papa they call me back.
See the number why I call for here now. Check it now.
Check, I'm not the same thing.
hello? Abonwa. Skin like me or come. Man, I'm way wine kwa mo.
Forget that one. Now me and you dey. See that one we talk. Now me and you dey. We die together.
E wine kwa bo. As I give me go now. Give me go. Big boys don't cry. Big boys don't cry.
Okay, but man, you know what you go help me do, eh? No. This one no be me get the phone. No be me get am. But anytime when you want call me, you go give me phone. I go use am talk.
And they will give you phone.
Bring phone, they give you.
Hi. Thank you.
Ngwa jeba ma. Hey. Jeba ma si ana kamune yaku. Oh. You go by house. You tell my mama say I want talk.
I'll call you. I'll go and give your mother the phone. I'll go. I'm a baby. Skin like me will come. Hey!
Mama, bye.
Wait. Tell me you love me. I love you too. Yes. Oh. Hey. One more kid. Hey!
But I did miss my baba.
Let me go and tell the mother.
I did miss my baba.
The one meow.
So, I found out based on agreement. Yeah.
Problem there.
Which problem now? I don't want you to start now.
The problem be say I dey kill fowl.
They give out. Now you don't start it. You don't start now. Maybe you dey here now. Talk agree now. Agree say once you do finish, you enter inside, do this thing. We don't go waste time. Agreement too.
No be me and you there for this house. I say I dey kill fowl. I go give you. Anyway, when the fowl finish, I go give you.
You don't understand what they happen. The vibration, the war, when they hear now. Okay, fine. This fowl when they kill, when you finish kill now.
The fowl?
Yeah.
Tata, today, now is the first day when you kill fowl.
Hey, which one is today now? Why are you telling that? Well, see, when you talk this sit down, say we do this sit down. Say we do not today answer this call. When you go to tell me that today this sit down. See, make I tell you, agreement. Just go inside, wash the fowl blood.
The match.
I left the sea in search of greener pasture, but I did miss my baba.
Babe.
What's up? You didn't touch your food. Come on, is that about the med? Don't take it to heart, okay? Come on, baby, I'm talking to...
Babe, don't touch me.
Babe, what did I do again? Oh, is it about the shawarma? Don't worry, my driver will soon be here. Okay?
Let me ask you something. Are you the only man that has kids in this world? Why are you channeling all your attention to them?
Babe, I don't understand. I mean, they are kids. They need more attention than adults.
I don't get it. Why did you invite me over? Why am I here? When you know your kids needs more attention than I. Don't you think I would cut short the attention you're giving to them?
Come on, babe, what are you even talking about? They're my kids, remember? I mean, why are you making a big deal out of nothing? Hold on a minute. Are you trying to say that I shouldn't take care of my kids? Is that what you mean?
I don't mean that, but there's limit to...
There is no limit for me attending to my kids, okay? They lost their mother 2 years ago and all they need is my attention, my time. Come on, babe. We don't have to fight over this. Please.
Hey! Rejoicing. What be this one they eat? I don't know. I know say you no go gree tell me. You the bam bam. I know say you no go gree tell me. Prince, what be this one where they eat?
Eat shawarma.
Shawarma. Make I see. Give me that thing, make I see. Why do you think it can't be like this? Was something where they spoil? Eh? Rejoicing. That thing where they eat is no good.
It's good.
Give me that thing, no sister. Prince, give me, make I see your own. Oh? Hey! See what's in there inside this thing where they eat, oh? See, Ugu, they no cook am. See, this one be like, Anezi, they no cook am. See, oh, Ayabasi, they no cook am. Give me, make I go cook am. This thing no done. Eh?
Stay on your own.
Babe. Listen, you know I love you so much. They are our children. And you should take good care of them as if they are your own children too.
Muna, give me, make I go cook am.
No. It's just to cook it.
Who tell you say they want to cook am? They don't cook this thing? Is there something where they are alive? Tomorrow now you go begin purge. You say now what I cook now you make you purge. Prince, when they eat that thing? When they eat that thing? Give me. Hey! Who go give you something where no done? Well, give me your own. Give me your sister.
Give it to me.
I want you.
Give it to me.
Make I go cook am. I go cook am. I wasn't make her cry. I go come now, make I cook am for now.
I'm not disputing the fact that they're also my own children. I mean, I love them.
Babe, the kids, they're crying. The kids.
What did she do this time around?
She took control of my mama.
She did what?
What is even wrong with that girl?
Hey. I don't know just wetin dey do my oga. How oga go market? He go buy wetin go make him pikin purge. He carry am, he can't give them. Sometimes this oga go behave like say you don't get sense at all.
Which way did she go to?
She went to the kitchen.
You know what? Stop crying, okay? Daddy will get you another shawarma.
I don't want shawarma, I want ice cream.
It's okay. Daddy will get you ice cream, okay? How about your riches?
I still want shawarma.
Okay, I'll get you shawarma, okay? I'll be right back, okay? Where are the shawarma you took from my kids? Where are they?
Okay. Now the shawarma is there for pot for here.
Pot? Jesus. Obuma! What are the shawarma doing inside the pot? Answer me!
Okay. Why did you come to laugh now?
Baby, please stop laughing, okay? Stop laughing. This is not a laughing matter. What are they doing inside the pot?
Okay, that thing, you know done. You see, you go market to go buy something. That person will say that thing for market for you, he wicked. He wicked. Now you make him go carry something where go make the pikin go purge. He come carry and give you. You go carry something where go make
you shut up your mouth? Are you trying to tell me that I'm stupid by giving to them? Is that what you mean?
You cannot talk like that though. But that thing, you know done. Oh, now you make her put out for fire. If you don't, I'll carry and go give the pickings.
My love, I'm sorry. This is your maid. She's one in town.
Mama, thank you. Now maybe best in the town.
Shut up your mouth. What made you the best? Kneel down. I said you should kneel down. Are you mad?
Okay.
Imagine shower. Do you feel like breaking your head? I feel like breaking your head.
No.
You know what?
No.
I've had enough, okay? You kneel down here till I'll tell you to get up. I've had enough. I've had enough of your excesses. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll call Danny to come pick you back to the village.
Hey!
I can see that you don't want to wise up. Tomorrow, you're going back to the village. Stupid girl. Wait. What did you just call me?
I can't shower. Fine girls, no people.
Stupid girl.
Baby. Hey! I'm on my. I'm sorry, you go put yourself for trouble for this is where you go. Hey! Mama, sit down one place. You don't go sit down. Mama, sit down one place. You don't go sit down. Mama, don't talk. You know they hear. Mama, don't do.
Mike, leave me. You're disturbing me. I want to sleep.
Babe, what is it now? You know I need you. Please.
Oh, Mike, stop now. You're disturbing my sleep.
Babe, come on now, please now. Why are you treating me like this? Baby.
Who's your baby?
Am I not your baby again?
Story for the girls. Oh.
Baby, please.
Leave me alone.
Why are you doing this to me? Baby, my whole body's on fire, please.
Is the AC not on? Or do I look like a fire extinguisher? Do I?
Baby, that's not what I mean, okay? You know what I mean. Baby. Baby, please now.
Mike, go and help yourself with soup, please.
What do you say?
I mean soapy. Use soap. I believe you're not deaf. Don't disturb me again.
Wow. See fresh legs. So Aboma is this beautiful. How come I did not notice it? Her laps is so fresh. Mike, respect yourself. She's just your housemaid. But maid is not written on her body. I think she's deep asleep.
What are you doing on my couch? Why are you sleeping here? Are you mad? With your stinking body? My friend, go to your room. Go to your room this minute.
No, first, now sleeping, I ain't carrying me. I don't know when I can't sleep for them. I do anything.
I said go to your room.
I mess.
Are you mad? Why are you asking me stupid questions? I said go to your room now. I said go to your room. Stupid girl. My friend, don't be stupid. Turn off the TV. I said put it off. What is wrong with this girl? You know what? Just go to your room, please. I said go to your room. Thank God. She didn't catch me. Wow.
She's beautiful. Maybe that's why they call her Bomma. And she's very humble too.
I know he's waiting for me to call him. Never. I will not call him. No. I hate men that cannot pet women. And then you want me to pet him. Not gonna call him. Let me just call him to fulfill all righteousness. It's not like he has won. No. Just want to call him. Where are you? Come to the room now. I want to see you. You just have 1 minute to come here before I change my mind. Your time starts now. Babe, I called you last night to come over to the room. You ignored me. Where did you sleep?
This is my house, so it's none of your business where I slept last night.
And then, you sent me 200k. What is it for?
It's for your transport.
Did I tell you I'm leaving today?
I want you to leave today. As a matter of fact, I want you to leave this morning.
You're joking, right?
I will pass an instruction to the security man. Whatever it does to you once it's 12 p.m., you have yourself to blame. Have a safe trip.
He wants me to beg him. Me. Never. I can't beg any man. I'm a beautiful lady. It's soldier go, soldier come, barracks remain. So, I blame myself for being so cheap. He must come back. Definitely gonna come back. Does he have a choice? Mike, if I don't deal with you in this town, call me a bastard. Whoever plays with Victoria is playing with fire and you don't know. Nonsense. He will come back. Does he have a choice? Doesn't. He'll come begging.
What's wrong with Paulo now? Look at the time. Just to drop the kids at school. And it's taking too much time.
Okay. Morning, sir.
Good morning. How was the night?
Okay, I fine well. Okay, I thank God though. I sleep morning. Okay, I beg. I want to ask you something.
What is it?
Okay, you don't call Daddy.
Do you still want to go?
No. Okay, I no wan leave Prince and Rejoicing for this house. Only them again. No. I no wan leave them. Oh. Mana, if you say I know they do the work what they do well, you want make I go my village, I go now.
Aboma, I know your problem, but you are not going anywhere. Your problem is ignorance. If you want to learn fast, then you need to learn how to ask questions, okay?
Okay, Oga, I hear you. Make I go inside the kitchen. Make I go make you break.
Aboma, it's not break. It's called break fast. Okay?
Okay. Hey! Like, it was...
No. Not that kind of break. Not like when you're running fast. Yeah, it's called breakfast. Without the fast, the sentence won't be complete.
Okay, make I go make you the thing.
No need, okay? I'm already waiting for Paulo and I'm running late. Yes. So this what you do, okay? You make your native food for me. And I'll have that for dinner.
Hey! Okay. It's in dinner.
No, not dinner. It's called dinner. Dinner, like dinner.
Okay, which one will be in dinner?
Okay, I'll explain it, okay? Dinner is the food you eat in the evening. Note, it could be any type of food, provided it's been eaten in the evening.
Oh.
Dinner. Call dinner.
Huh?
Say dinner.
Okay, talk again.
Just say it. Dinner.
Dinner.
That's right.
Hey, I got that. Dinner.
No, not like dinner. Just make it soft. Dinner.
Okay, make we leave am for evening. I go make dinner for you.
Okay.
You go like the dinner.
Can't wait.
Okay, you go like that dinner.
I can't wait.
Okay, bye yo.
All right. Thank you.
If I got Polo, come. Bye yo.
All right. Do have a nice day.
Like I said, I go teach you now another one how to dance egwu ogodo. What I'm saying, egwu ogodo, you will say hey. Egwu ogodo, hey. Egwu ogodo, hey. Onega ogodo, hey. Egwu ogodo,
My boy.
Hey.
How you two doing? I can see you're having a good time.
Hey, Oga, welcome.
Thank you. I can see that you guys are having a good time. So tell me, what were you two doing with Auntie Aboma?
Daddy, she was teaching us how to sing Igbo song and also how to dance. And Daddy, please can you join us?
I will do that, but first I need to go upstairs and refreshen up, okay? Aboma, I got you some clothes. I'm glad you like it.
I like it though. Hey, Oga, thank you. Oh,
welcome.
Thank you. So, I go to wear city people clothes.
Yeah,
now.
that's the word. City girl.
Hey!
You two can continue with your dance, okay? I need to go upstairs and refreshen up. I will be back.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Make una go. I don't get it. Enjoy yourself, yeah? Okay? You sweet?
Sure.
Rejoicing. I told you guys, in my village they call me Abomadosite. The village cooking cooker. That is what they call me for village.
Prince, do you like it?
It's really delicious.
Delicious.
Very, very sweet.
I'm glad you like
sweetie.
it. Rejoice. Hope you enjoy your meal.
Musiria. Na me cook am. Aboma dey cook village cooking cooker. I cook am. Prince, you here? You dey here. If you finish, I give you another one. Yeah. Rejoicing. Eat. Enjoying. Oh. Okay. I wan go sleep. Wetin you dey call me for?
Aboma, I really don't know how to say this.
Make we leave am tomorrow, yeah?
Wait. Aboma, wait. You don't have to be in a haste, okay? This is our house. You don't have to be in a hurry. You know you're very beautiful, right? I mean, you're a very beautiful lady. And I would like us to spend the night here so we can talk about ourselves. Right?
Hey! Hey! Oga, abeg o. I no wan enter trouble.
Trouble?
I no wan wahala. Bam.
Come on, there won't be any trouble, okay? You know, I have money. I will give you money, okay? I'll take care of you and your mother. Please, just let's spend.
Okay, I don't know wetin I be. You don't know wetin I be. You don't know say for my village, Amusa, they go dey call me Aboma, onye obodo, abo baby, onye obodo, abo baby, onye obodo. You know what it mean? I get my bobo for village. What is it called? Onye obodo.
You have a boyfriend in the village?
You don't know?
Come on, just forget about him, okay? Come, I'll give you anything you want.
Okay. No talk am again, no. Onye obodo. If Onye obodo come here, if Onye obodo here say you dey tell Abo baby say you love am, Onye obodo go talk say I go. He go rocket you, and he go come here. He go rocket you. He go rocket you. He go carry you. He go knock you for ground. Boy, Oga, I no get strength to. Abeg, make her dey go. Yeah. Kachifo, oh, Oga, Kachifo, oh,
Abo.
Oga, Kachifo, oh, Oga, Kachifo, oh.
Aboma. Was I ready too fast? She's beautiful. And I must win. Good morning, my joy.
Oga, good morning. Oga, good morning. Oga, I don't like that thing where you do me now. No time again, I don't like it.
I'm sorry, okay? I have a surprise for you.
Hey! Namaste.
No, come on, okay? This one is different. Believe me. I need you to do me a favor, okay? Just close your eyes. Yes.
Hey!
Come on, why are you shouting?
Oga,
Yes?
we won't pray. I don't pray inside my room since so before I come down, come begin clean this parlor. Now me and you they pray before.
Come on, okay? Just close your eyes, okay? Come on, close your eyes. I have a surprise for you. You'll like it, trust me. You'll like it. Okay?
Okay. I close them.
No cheating.
Okay. Okay. Oh, my eyes they close very well now.
Now you can open your eyes. Marry me. Please. Marry me and make me happy.
Hey!
What is there a problem? Yes.
You can't need that. Now this thing now be the surprise.
Yes. Don't you like it?
Hey! Okay. I no go fit marry you. I no go fit marry you. For my village, you don't know what I be. For my village, what I be? Aboma onye obodo. Aboma onye obodo. Aboma onye obodo. Okay. You know what it mean? It means say, na only obodo, my only obodo for village. Na he go marry me. Now that place, na in my heart today. You know who he be? Oh no, obodo. Oh no, obodo.
Abama, listen, okay? I'll take good care of you. Yes, I'll fly you abroad. I'll buy you a new car, okay? Just say yes to me and I'll do everything to make you happy. Please.
Hey!
Is that a yes?
Oga, I no like that thing when you talk, oh. I no like abroad. My only obodo for village. You tell me say that abroad. Say person wan go abroad, you go enter aeroplane go come enter inside Urubutu. You go from there, the person go die.
No, that's not true, okay? I'll fly with you. Yes, I'll fly. We'll fly together, okay? International. Believe me, I want you to be happy. Come on, just accept this ring and everything will be fine.
Please. Okay. I don't like this, you know. Anybody want me, make me vex. You go talking something, say, me and Onyobodo will not go there, will not go marry. You know, say, this thing when you talk now, don't make me vex. You don't make me vex now, okay? Now this your work what I do. If not like this, I no do again. Okay, I no do again. In short, I no work again. Take your thing. Take your work. Bye yo. Bye yo. Bye yo. Make I go carry my bag, leave your house for you. I no go marry you. Make I go leave it to my no. Choy. Bye yo.
Abama.
Bye yo. Bye yo. Okay. I'll chana.
It's such a greener pasture, but I dey miss my baba.
Why is she so hard for me? I thought she would be easy. Now I know that money is not everything. Money is not everything. I'll stay with you.
What happened? Ogin. Mama, tell me welcome now.
Welcome, my daughter. Welcome. Ogin Messi.
Mama, hey! Oh, I don't learn English, oh.
You don't learn English?
English. I can speak now. Mama, hey, in fact, guess what?
Guess what?
Guess what?
What is guess what?
Oh, I don't know guess what?
You mean guess what?
No! Guess what? Guess.
What?
Hey! Mama, I can speak plenty English now. Okay, make I speak one for you. Tidy the parlor.
Tidy the parlor.
Tidy! I don't know what is tidy. Tidy the parlor. Yeah, tidy the parlor. Maybe that one. Maybe that one. Mama, cause ASOS. Mama, Mama kwa akwụkwọ. Ịma asọsụ.
You mean egg sauce?
Asọsụ.
Sauce.
Asọsụ.
Hey.
Nke ọzọ Samasa. Samasa. Oh,
which one is Samasa again?
Samasa.
Aboma, how is your oga?
Mama, are they hungry? Huh? You go inside, make her eat. Is it funny?
There's food in the house. Come, let's go inside and eat. Hey! Aboma! Mama! Hey!
Aboma, he's not picking. I've been calling Aboma's phone since morning, eh? Aboma is not taking my calls.
Hi. Henry, I told you, you have lost this battle. You have lost this battle.
Do you know you're not normal? Which battle did I lose? Which battle?
Aboma is gone.
You are the one that is gone.
All these big boys have taken her in the city.
You are the one that is gone. You are very, 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 very crazy in your head. How can you be telling me that Aboma is taken? See, if you don't know what to say about this Aboma issue, stop talking, oh. Stop talking. We will go get serious problem, guy. Use this Aboma avoid me, oh. Ha! How can you be an enemy of progress? Eh?
Nah, they don't knock your girl. They don't knock.
No, now you don't knock. Now you don't knock, guy. Now you don't knock. Nonsense. Ha! Phone one annual. Eh?
I told you. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Even you yourself, check it. Why is she not picking your call?
Oh, God, let me hear word. I'll test my battery now. You will see.
Oh, yeah,
my phone will work.
Test it. Let's see. You said no, if you check them by yourself. Check it.
Anything you like, you can say. It's your mouth. Do you know what is love?
Nah, this
guy. You even have a feeling in your heart.
Why for this girl? Life goes on.
Yeah, the phone went off. I'll pack it paper and it will work. Ekwesị ka ihere mee gị n'ụwa ka ihere mee gị na gị ma ndị otu gị ka ihere m ụnụ. Just hope she picks up the call this time. Hello. Yes, it's me. It's Aboma's husband. No, husband to be. Yes. Please, can I speak to Abom?
It is Aboma's husband. They are calling her new husband.
You know me. Yes, it's me, Oyobodo. It's Oyobodo. You know me. Yes. Please, can I speak to Aboma now? Yes. No, it's... I want to speak to Aboma. Yeah, Aboma. Is your... I should not...
Didn't I tell you? Eh? Didn't I tell you? Aboma nago. Don't knock your baby.
Mama, I said I'm coming.
And I ask you again, Aboma, where do you want to go to this evening?
Mama, I want to go and see my bobo.
You want to go and see your bobo?
Yes, ma'am.
Eh? Aboma, so you've not forgotten about that useless boy?
Mama, how person will forget him bobo? Mama, how person will forget him bobo?
Aboma,
Ma?
You are not going anywhere.
Eh?
Yes, you need to rest.
Mama, have you forgotten? I am now a city girl.
City what?
And I need to go see my bobo.
Aboma,
Mama,
I said you are not going anywhere. You have to go. You just came back.
Mama, you can't stop me. Huh? Mama, you can't stop me.
Aboma, you are not going anywhere.
Mama, you can't stop me. Mama, you can't stop me. Can you stop
Aboma?
me?
Aboma, come back here. Aboma! Okay. You will come back and meet me here. Jessica Kenata, I'm waiting for you.
So now that I'm pregnant, what's the next step?
Chioma, you are pregnant. I did not deny it. I did not deny that you are pregnant. And I will take responsibility of this pregnancy. Why are you giving me jamba and wire question?
I cannot be pregnant and stay in my father's house. So you have to come and marry me.
Then go to the chapel and stay, because if it's my father's house that you're
I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying here. You have to marry me today. Yes.
In a team, I don't blame you.
I'm not going anywhere. You have to marry me.
You guys, no, I know say the holidays you come, because after the holidays you will go home.
You will marry me.
Your parents will look for you and you will go home. Allowance. Now that I have accepted that I will take responsibility of the pregnancy, you are looking for marriage now.
You will marry me now.
You are looking for marriage now.
You have to come and marry me now.
Okay, I've heard you. I've heard you.
I'm not leaving yet. You marry me.
Listen to me. I will take responsibility of this baby. I did not deny the baby. Okay, if it's about marriage that you're talking about, yes, I will marry you.
Today,
but not now.
No,
you have to leave first.
You have to marry me today.
Why are you shouting? Are you the one that will pay the bride price? I will marry you, but you go home first.
You have to marry me now.
I told you have to go home first.
You have to marry me today. I'm not leaving this place until you marry me.
Abumma. Abo?
Yeah.
Abumma, when did you come back?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
When did you come back?
Hey.
Did you hear anything? Eh?
Who you be? I'm his wife. And I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant for him.
Aboma, see. This girl, you see, eh?
Yeah.
That time you left me and went to the city now. Wait, let me explain to you.
Baba! Baba! She said she carry belle. Yes. You carry baby? Yes, and we are married. Baba? Tell her now.
What is all this now? Aboma, wait.
Hey, baby. Baba, she carry baby? Yes. Hey! Baba, baby, Baba, don't kill me.
Aboma, Obalanagam Naro, you left me for the city since how long? Eh? You don't want to be anything, don't you get as it be now?
Baba, you're not killing me. Baba, you're not killing me. Baba, you're not killing me. Baba, baby. Baba. Baby,
that time you left.
Baba.
That time you went to the
Baba.
city. When you went to the city.
Baba.
Aboma, wait. Aboma, let me explain this to you.
Tell me one good reason you should be crying like this. Tell me. Didn't I warn you? I warned you to leave that useless, foolish boy that doesn't have a future alone. But you refuse. You refuse. Now, what do you expect from a big for nothing human being? What do you expect from him? Eh? He has impregnated another woman and abandoned you. Have you seen it? I warned you severally. I warned you! Have you seen the reason they are calling him Onyobodo? You've not seen it? What to go there?
Can you never?
Dede, you're welcome.
Can't be an honor zone. Aboma, what is it? Good day, Mama.
Good day, my son. You're welcome. Wait! We have visitor here. Wait. Who is this one that came with you?
Okay, this is Mr. Mike. Yes, Aboma's boss in the city.
Hey, Wona, you're welcome, eh?
Thank you, Mama.
No, oh,
He complained to me that Aboma ran away from his house the moment he proposed to Aboma.
Hey, wait. You proposed to Aboma and she ran away from your house?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Aboma! Look at what you did. Where he married.
Aboma, ever since you left, every single breath I take seems like a waste on me. My kids need you. Aboma, this ring belongs to my mother. My mother was...
Listen to him.
She was special. And I want you to wear it. Mama, I want you to come back home with me, please. The kids want you to come back. They keep asking me of you and I've been lying to them. Please. They miss your meal. Your funny ways. Yeah, people say you're funny. We missed all that. Please accept me. Do not refuse me a second time. Because I'm not sure I'll be able to survive it. I love you. I want you to spend the rest of your life with me. Marry me.
Accept him. She's laughing.
Is that a yes?
Marry him. Marry him. They talk to you.
Aboma, is that a yes? Is that a yes?
Yes. I can marry you.
Oh gosh, she said yes.
I can marry you.
Please.
I can marry you. I can marry you. I can marry you. I can
maka oti wago